Welcome back to another episode of Kotlin Bootcamp for Programmers. In this episode, I'm going to talk about the apply. So, the context object is available as a receiver disk that we can access the object, and the return value is object itself. Remember that the return value is object itself, not the value. And you can use apply for code blocks that don't return a value and mainly operate on the members of a receiver object. A common case for apply is the object configuration. Such calls can be read as apply the following assignment to the object. Let's see an example. I have a class called person, and this person has 3 arguments. First one is name. It is the default. It don't have any default value. You have to send this parameter, and these two is nullable parameters. It is nullable parameters, and also it has a default value. And this about also has a nullable parameter, and by default they are null. Now I wanna use this person and apply configuration on that person. I wanna create a person called, let's call as Adam, and this Adam will be an object of person, and this person, let's name the first one argument is name, and let's keep it the name as Adam. And after that now we will use the object, or let's use the apply function. Now what I means here, I means apply this configuration to the person Adam here. Now we can access the age, we can configure the about here. Here I can access the age, or I can configure the age is equal to 34 for example, or the about is, for example, hi, my name is like name. I have the name as here I have the name, or hi, my name is this, and I am $age years old. Let's print out this one. Now as you see, this print or this person and apply will do this configuration for us, and it will return for us this Adam itself. It will not do any further configuration for us. If I print in right now the Adam is an object of a person. If I print the object of a person, the Kotlin will print as the class name person. It will not print anything else. Let's see the example, apply example, and if I run here, that's it. Now I want to show you that this apply will return the object itself, not the value. As you see, it is returning the object itself. Now I can access the object of like age or about. I can access the about like this, or as it is apply return as the object of person itself, we can concatenate another apply also, like apply do some coding, or we can directly return about here also. And now this about, if we return as it is apply, and this apply will return as Adam itself, the person, and if we return about of that person, about is here a string, and we are sending a string of to this Adam. Now I can use Adam directly, and the about will be printed here, but I don't want to print here like this, because the concept will be confusing. I want to show you that this apply return the object itself. If I print this one, so you will get the object name itself, and if I use now I can use the properties of that object itself. Or for example, let's make more more complicated, and after apply, even we can have another apply. We can have another apply here, or we can have another apply, again another apply. We can have multiple apply, because this apply method will return for us the object itself, not anything else. Now for example, in this apply, I wanna do about, I wanna add something in about. For example, I wanna concatenate. I like to help you learn coding, and in this about, again same thing. I want to concatenate, I want to add something in about section here, plus and equal sign, like if you are new punch that subscribe button. So do it right now. If you are new, punch that subscribe button. Now if I can have multiple name here, for example, I can add Adam to full name. For example, I want to add the name, and here name is equal, for example, Adam John, the last name should be John, something else. Now I applied these configuration in the person object. At the end I have Adam's object. Now I can access the object directly and with object, and we can access the properties itself. Now as you see, I am printing about of Adams, and first I want to print the name of Adams. I want to print in the Adams.name. If I print it right now, I will get the name as you will see Adam, and we have Adam and John. We are concatenating again two Adams because we are here. First one name is Adam and John. Why I write it here? I need only John. The name is Adam, John, and the about is my name is Adam, and I am 31 years old. I like to help you learn coding, blah blah blah, and if you're new, and subscribe the channel. I means with the help of apply, we are configuration our object, and we are returning the object itself, not the value. And this is it for this video. If you like the video, please thumbs up. If you don't like, please comment below. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. See you soon on the next video.